Hey guys, welcome back to Patmax Adventures, and today I'm at the Jeju Ferry Terminal and I'll be heading to Yeosu by ferry, not plane. I decided to do something a bit spontaneous and interesting for part of my vacation. I will be heading to Yeosu shortly. Alright guys, so I'm boarding now and on my way to Yeosu. So let's go. Give you a little 360 here all the way around. See in the background, that's Halasan, Hala Mountain. Beautiful day. I know the sun's gonna get kind of bright here, but it is so bright and so beautiful today. This is a perfect day to take a ferry. So we are on our way to Yeosu. Goodbye, Jeju. So this is a pretty nice ferry. You can see here some more massage chairs. They have rooms down here that you can rent, so you can stay in them during the duration of the ferry. And over here they have some video games, so you can play some video games on your way on the ferry. They also have some soda machines, coffee machines, and Gold Stella. I'm walking down one of the corridors here, and as you can see, there are rooms on each side that you can rent. So when you take one of these ferries, if you're going to Namhae or Wando or Yeosu or Busan, you can buy one of those. And look what I found. Here are some massage chairs, and I could definitely use a massage right now. Massage chair is not that expensive. It's 1 won, or like about $1. Over here, guys, you can see these are like traditional rooms, almost like Jinjibong style, where you can just lie down and relax. Over here, they have some hot water. If you want to make some tea or coffee, you can use this hot water for free. And they also have a microwave. On board, there's also a convenience store where you can buy snacks and some basic drinks. There's also a restaurant. I got a seaweed soup, some rice, some fish, and a salad. It costed 7,000 won, and it's not included, but it was well worth it for the 4-hour ferry ride. Wow, guys, check out that sunset. Beautiful. So I'm gonna be real with you guys and be honest and tell you guys this last week was not a good week for me. A lot of negative things happened and I caught the stomach flu and my trip kind of fell apart where I was gonna go. But it's times like this, standing here, just reminds me of how far I've come and you know what's really important in life, and life is kind of like a roller coaster ride. You know, shit happens, it does, and when you go down, you gotta hold on. One of those dips was this last week, about 2 weeks. That's why I decided to do this trip. I'm like, you know what, screw it. I'm just gonna go somewhere, I'm gonna jump on a ferry, and I'm just gonna go. On that note, I'm gonna head back inside. We're a few hours away from Yeosu. After that, I'm gonna head up to Seoul and I have some other fun adventures I'm gonna share with you guys in videos later this month. So remember guys, you only live once, so live to the max.